Greetings of the day to everyone present here. The Department of Human Development of Dr. BMN College of Home Science presents to you our very first talk show जिसका नाम है वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, जहाँ हम तजुर्बे के चुस्के लेने वाले हैं। तो क्या आप तैयार हैं? Here we are going to bring to you the past, the present and the future together on the same platform. So let's not waste time. Let me introduce our first guest. She was the pioneer of our department and the Balmela. So I'm introducing our very first guest, जिनका नाम है Dr. Rashmi Devharkar. Ma'am has done her BSc in Child Development. She did her MSc in Child Development. She did her MPhil in Human Development and PhD in Human Development. She has been the Associate Professor of Human Development. She worked as a nursery school teacher in SMDT Laboratory Nursery School, lecturer, supervisor and trainer for degree students in SVT College of Home Science. She did diploma and post-graduation diploma courses for early childhood education at Sadhanand Education Society and postgraduate department of Home Science. She was also teaching students at 3 levels, that is children between 1.5 to 8 years old, adolescents at the age from 16 to 21, and adults to the age of 55. She was, as I said, she was the professor at the Department of Human Development at Dr. BMN College of Home Science. And currently, she's also doing art-based therapy from SMDT University. So, ma'am, it's a pleasure to have you with us and welcome to the show.
Thank you. It's my pleasure to be here. Only I will add one thing which you have missed. I was in charge of Prangan Nursery School for 18 years.
Wow.
I was in charge of Prangan Nursery School for 18 years. Okay, as a part of the department.
Yeah, I did read it somewhere, but I think I missed it out. I'm so sorry for that. So introducing our second guest, and that is Mrs. Alka Pant. Mrs. Alka Pant worked as the Associate Professor in the Department of Human Development of Dr. BMN College of Home Science, Matunga, till the year 2020. She completed her master's degree from MS University, Baroda, and her MPhil degree from SMDT University, Mumbai. She has co-authored a book titled Extension and Communication, and undertaken 2 minor research projects sponsored by the University Grants Commission, that is UGC. As a chairperson and member of the board of students in the studies of extension and education, she has actively participated in reconstructing of the syllabus at the undergraduate level. She worked as a coordinator of the career-oriented programs of the college, organized workshops, presented papers at national and international conferences. Presently pursuing her hobbies of innovative cooking and working towards strengthening of an NGO, Astitwa Uttaranchal, which works towards the welfare of privileged students in the community. Welcome to the show, Alka ma'am. We are really, really privileged to have the both of you here with us.
Thank you. It is my pleasure to be associated with the department. I always have a very positive feeling for the department and I would like to grow. So each year when we have Balmela, I think so we start reliving those memories and we expect that every year the Balmela will be something different, something innovative. So thank you.
So let's begin with the interview. So my very first question is to both of you, okay? And it is, how do you feel being with us on this talk show and being our opening Batwoman for us?
As I feel that it's a very nice feeling that we are called for an interview, which is very near to our heart, the Department of Human Development of our college. Okay, and we have been associated with it for a long time, and then being interviewed by the department students is a great feeling.
And what I felt was that as an opening batsman, I think so the opening batsman has to motivate and encourage the entire team members. So I think so we will be able to motivate you and encourage you to have a successful Bal Mela.
Indeed. Thank you so much, ma'am. So to begin with our talk about Bal Mela and how things were happening, we first want to know how was your experience of so many years? Like I introduced that you have been in the department since the start and you've been the pioneer. So how do you feel and how were your experience? How will you sum up your experience of so many years?
I'll just tell you a little history of Bal Mela, how it started exactly. In 2005, I feel we started with a new subject called management of centers. Okay, and it was a practical aspect, as you know. And then there were no guidelines as such what can be done in that subject. So we just had talks with each other in the department, and then we thought that we have to set up a center in the college and give the girls experience of how to manage it. And then we thought of adding principles of management to the whole thing, and then on basis of that this idea of Bal Mela came in, because we had early childhood education as a subject where at TY level. So we clubbed that subject along with management of centers, and we started Bal Mela. Of course, Bal Mela is for everybody. It is not everybody in the sense all the children of preschool as well as play center, preschool, and primary level also. So all types of children come there and enjoy Bal Mela. It's a fun-filled event, That was the first thing we thought.
And what I feel is that it is means when we thought of the idea of management of center, so that Bal Mela became a center wherein children, wherein adults, wherein even teachers, pre-primary teachers came over there and they interacted with everyone. And every year, what I feel is a new learning experience for all of us. We have matured. Earlier, when we started, I don't think so, it was at a very small scale level that we had Bal Mela. We never even had so many schools coming. So as publicity grew, as we became more known, and I think so we became more known through Bal Mela, because parents used to come and ask when you are having. Now also when girls go for fieldwork, they always ask that when is the Bal Mela this year? So I think so it was a platform wherein we could publicize what we are, okay? And every year, by taking different themes, we could, I think so, provide an opportunity, especially when we look at children coming from Mahila Mandal, when we look at children coming from Shraddhanand Mahila Ashram, which is an orphanage, when we look at children coming from Blind School Dadar. So I think so it gave us a lot of satisfaction that it is something that we are able to create with the help of our students who are also teacher trainees, and provide something to the society. Okay, so that is what is my experience. That is what I feel, that we have grown, we have matured every year through Bal Mela, and every year you will find that there is something new in the Bal Mela. That is what I feel.
Thank you so much for that. Well, my next question is a bit personal. So here, ma'am, I want to know, what does Bal Mela mean to you personally? आपको पर्सनली बाल मेला, आपके लिए बाल मेला क्या है, पर्सनली वो क्या है?
It's a lot of learning, and every year there are puppet shows which in curriculum planning it was to be done by SY students, and creating puppets and writing the stories and songs and recording them and then putting up that show was a real motivating experience for the students as well as we as teachers. Okay, I remember going for recordings so many times. We used to book the recording studio and then go there, and such a beautiful experience every year we had, there. At the same time, creating ambience of each year with a different theme. It was a real fantastic experience, guiding the students for that also was beautiful. And the students' creation was really seen there. And as Alka ma'am has said, that each year the visitors used to enjoy a new and novel ideas and used to be surprised. And many times I have seen when they used to invite us for their, not exactly Bal Mela, but their shows, So our ideas were also utilized by their students, which was a great thing, And it was a very nice idea. And it was a very successful, I would say, event.
I think so Rashmi has very rightly put forward her thoughts. And even I feel that because we spend so much time with each other, not only as teachers, but also with teachers, with students, that we come to know each other. Because I don't think so, otherwise we get a time, or we spend so much, because we are not so in the college for such a long time. So we don't interact so much. But during Bal Mela, I think so even the students and the teachers are there in the college. We know each other. Okay, so it is something wherein you know each other. You share your thoughts with each other. And also the creativity of each student. So many times there are students from vernacular medium who are not able to express in the class. So during Bal Mela, they come out with such creative thoughts, with such creative ideas, and to create an ambience for such a big, means what we can say, such a big space. We used to have Bal Mela in the playground also. So it was not easy, because you are putting your thoughts into ideas into something which is there, which is given to you as a hall, as a nursery. Okay, so putting that into something which is you are seeing, which everyone is enjoying, was something very great. So that is what I feel, that the creativity of the students along with the teachers can be exhibited through the Bal Mela.
So truly said that. Also, ma'am, as you said that it was initiated long back, and why it was initiated, as you told us, it was to give students the exposure and to start a new subject called management of centers. So, ma'am, I also want to know that who were the initiators, like the team who initiated. Of course, we know that Alka ma'am and Rashmi ma'am, both of you all were there, and as I introduced you, but who along with you all was there to initiate this?
I think so. We three as teachers, we sat down, and I, as we Rashmi ma'am also said, it was not something which was done at a larger scale. We started initially, I think so, for our own children of Prangan, and then it grew, and then we started inviting children from the vicinity, and then after that we also started inviting children from wherever you were going for field work or in internship. We started calling them, and that is how it grew. Okay, so earlier it was only done in the Prangan, then we started doing it at a mass scale. So it was a center which started initially with the help of the three teachers. It was a thought, I think so, that came in our mind that let us do something for Prangan children. And then it grew. And now you can see the amount of children that come for our Prangan. I think so Rashmi would agree with me for that.
Yeah, definitely, Alka. And we three were always pioneers and, like, khambe of the whole thing. But at the same time, there were teachers who were part-time teachers, clock hour basis teachers, and they also used to take a lot of efforts. Like I can name them also. Jagruti ma'am was there, then Saloni ma'am was there, and nursery teachers were also involved in the whole thing. And the hours we used to spend with the students, same way all these teachers used to spend so much of time. I remember waiting till 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock till the the work was done on the previous days, and the Balmela work would start, at about a month before, and then at the last moment we used to have all these sessions up till all these long hours, and we used to have fun there because the girls used to enjoy. Sometimes they used to vanish, then we used to call them back, and it was really fun, being together and learning from each other. And as Alka ma'am said, that vernacular girls, they were not so confident about the language, and that is why we used to have uh, multiple language, especially Hindi, sometimes Marathi, sometimes Gujarati, when we were conversing with children, so that they used to feel comfortable while organizing the whole event. It was a wonderful experience.
Wow, I just have a constant smile on my face listening to your experiences and things that used to have happened. Okay. Ma'am, as you know that this year we are going to have online Bal Mela, and we want to know that how excited are you for the online Bal Mela, which is happening on international level.
I wish you success for that. And definitely with this neo-normal situation, you have definitely developed into a very good human development students with your knowledge of early childhood education and curriculum planning and all the other subjects. So definitely you will show something new. You will come up with innovative ideas about the theme, and definitely we are looking forward to it.
What I feel is that this year it is more challenging also, because you're not having any live program, live audiences. It is online. So that also is a challenge, how you are able to create, how you are able to motivate, and if it is an international event, how you are able to bring in those audiences as a part of your Bal Mela. So that is what I feel. The challenge is there, and I think so you will make it successful.
Yes, we will definitely create history this time. Okay, so we're going to have
And
a
also
fun
I felt
segment over here.
that, and also I felt that
Yes, ma'am.
at least you thought about it, because looking at the situation, looking at the conditions, we always think now what to do, how will we do? We every year used to have. So now what do we do? At least you thought of something innovative, something different, and continued the history of Bal Mela.
I would like to know how did this idea come in, and how have you planned the whole thing? A brief idea about that.
Okay, so ma'am, basically it is, as you said, that it's part of our syllabus and we have to do it. And we were also anxious कि ये साल बाल मेला होगा नहीं होगा. And it's not just learning, but it is so much fun. Everybody all together. So we as a class wanted Bal Mela. We were like, नहीं ma'am, हम लोग को साथ में memories बनानी है. We want to meet children. We want to do something for them. And of course, it is giving us a lot of experience and building us for future as we go out of college and we represent BM in there. So and then how classes started online. So we thought of having Bal Mela online this time, where we thought if we can do it in Mumbai, we can do it in Maharashtra. Why not go international? And when we have a platform, when the pandemic has given us this opportunity, when through this technology we can reach worldwide, then why not use it? So this is how it all started. And of course, Kirti ma'am and Janvi ma'am, they have been the pillars this time to encourage us, support us, and be with us through it all. So it's just through them we are doing it, and of course we're going to nail it.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah. Yeah, I hope I've answered your question. Moving forward, we are going to move into one segment. As I said, we're going to play a game. So I'm going to say one word, and then you have to associate that word with another word that comes to your head. Okay? अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं बोलूं कीर्ति मैम, तो आपके दिमाग में सबसे पहले क्या आता है?
Is it a question?
No, it's a demo. It's a demo.
I thought it is a question. So okay.
So it's like that. I'll tell you one word, and then anything that comes to your mind, you have to be very quick, okay? Very fast. Okay. So the first word is development.
Of all.
Okay.
It's a process. It's a process.
Okay. Joy.
Of seeing happiness in everyone.
Happiness.
Okay. Create.
Create
Innovative
a new world
ideas.
through Bal Mela.
Wow. Healing.
All emotions. Positive emotions.
Wow. Alka ma'am?
Healing, I think, for everyone.
Okay. Okay.
Through recreation.
Yeah. Now I want you both to share one funny thing.
Mahima, 1 minute. I'll just come in.
Yeah. Okay. So now I want the both of you to share one funny incident that the both of you share together. Like you all were there in that moment together. But it has to be funny, okay?
When we started inviting the senior citizens, and they also enjoyed the Bal Mela, they were also dancing, and whatever creative things we teach children, or whatever creative things are given to children, they also equally participated and they got satisfaction. So that I found was very funny, because when we said Bal Mela, we never thought of inviting them. But when they said they are willing to come, and they enjoyed it and they behaved like children. So I think so that was a very funny moment in our Bal Mela.
I feel, it is not very funny, but challenging when these children from Deaf and Dumb Institute came, and as well as blind children came to attend Bal Mela. Looking at their responses and the way they did the actions and the way they took part in creative activities and enjoyed the whole event was really very nice to look at. And there we were wondering, how blind children were visualizing the whole thing. Of course, their teachers were helping them, but they came out with such beautiful creations, with creative activities. I feel there was a lot of learning for us, in this year, in this at that time when we were watching them, So that was, I won't say funny, but that was really nice experience, for all of us. And we learned a lot from them.
Wow, I'm so overwhelmed listening to your stories and your experiences. I wish I was there too. Never mind. So yeah, so this is the last segment of our interview, where I'm going to ask you to dedicate one word or one shairi or one song to each other before we end. So yeah, one thing that you want to tell to each other.
I think so with Rashmi ma'am, I have worked and we have been together for more than 25 years. So what I would like to say about her is that we were very accommodating and we used to always compliment each other. That is what I would like to say.
When I think back, which I don't know, when I'm alone and when I think about our college, many a times I remember Alka as so much supportive. We used to share our experiences, even family matters. And really, it was a stress buster for us. We asked together, we used to sit together and chat. Many a times, after college hours also, we used to sit and chat about our personal lives and all the other things, even for that matter, many a times we used to feel that there are certain times we used to feel very sad about certain situations. And there we used to talk to each other and then laugh, about how things are happening. And then we used to feel very relaxed. So that was how we felt about each other. It was a really sharing experiences. And still we are doing the same thing after retirement also. Yeah, we talk on the phone, we share our things with what are we doing and how things are happening with our families. So that is really nice. And it is not only Alka ma'am and Kirti ma'am, myself, but Kirti ma'am also. The team of 3 of us is still there. वो दोस्ती अभी तक है और फ्यूचर में भी रहेगी.
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे.
Yes.
Wow, I'm so mesmerized. Wow. I was just listening the entire while. I was just listening like this. Wow, कितना अच्छा था. So nice. So thank you so much for being with us on this talk show.
One minute. Mahima, 1 minute. Okay. I wish all of you, good luck for the Bal Mela at the same time. Whatever we have spoken about each other with Kirti ma'am, of course, please take it when you are working in different organizations, after graduation, post-graduation, and remember us that how we were together, worked as a teamwork, you will also do in your life, all of you. Yes?
And the success of Bal Mela was teamwork only. It was students, teachers, nursery teachers, all worked together as a team. We never said, ye mera kaam hai, ye iska kaam hai. It was our Bal Mela. And once that feeling of ours comes, I don't think so. We think also that it is yours or mine, it is our Bal Mela. And that we had when we used to work for Bal Mela. And I think so it should carry on. And I still remember when you all were in second year, you all used to come and tell that next year, ma'am, हम ऐसे publicity करेंगे, हम Facebook में जाएंगे. So that I still remember. So of course, you never got an opportunity to do it live, but still you are doing it. So that shows your dedication, your inspiration to do it. So all the best, and may you have a successful Bal Mela.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so very much. Of course, we're missing you both, and to have it offline was a different experience in itself. But online also, as I said, we're going to rock the show. We are going to create history, and we're very excited. And do keep us in prayer that this year we will do good job. And thank you so much for being with us on our talk show. वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे जहाँ हमने आपके तजुर्बे के चुस्के लिए हैं. And we've learned from your experiences. We've learned so much from you. So thank you so much for being here.